Let's visit the only company in the world that makes custom-made bulletproof suits. You are able to choose from many options. For example, a 3-piece suit with bulletproof jacket and vest. The level of protection can be chosen by customer. There are options which can withstand a 9mm caliber hit, as well 357 SIG or 44 Magnum. This protection is possible thanks to the patented nanotechnology. Carbon nanotubes which are up to 100 times stronger than steel and 30 times stronger than Kevlar. And at the same time the fabric remains flexible and doesn't constrain your movements, then the suit fits perfectly. New aerial sensor placement method based on impulsive launching. Since direct physical interaction is not required, sensor deployment can be achieved in cluttered environments where the target location cannot be safely. The aerial deployment method is validated through more than 80 successful deployments in indoor and outdoor environments. The proposed approach has the potential to be integrated in field operations for data acquisition and can complement other robotic or manual sensor placement procedures. This would bring benefits for demanding industrial application, scientific fieldwork, smart cities, and hazardous environments. This is device which will find audience among school and college students. This cheating watch provides security and privacy. You can see the information on the screen just from the certain angle. From other angles your spectator will see just black screen. With much smaller, thinner and lighter design, it is not that noticeable, making it hard to spot during exams. It has updated scrolling speed, so there is no lagging or delays, which allows you to fast find your content. With 4 different text modes, you can set the brightness for your needs, from brighter to darker. Also, there is our old good trick with emergency button, which is keeping you safe. You can now change your clock style, making it more fashionable. Faraday bag or laptops completely blocks all wireless signals and keeps large electronic device shielded to prevent hacking, tracking, spying, and chain of custody corruption. When a laptop or other device is properly enclosed in the bag, no apps or malicious code can be remotely triggered or wiped. No communication can penetrate and no one can access the microphone, camera, GPS location or data. Rear view glasses. According to its creators, the technology is unique and patented, but in fact there is not really complicated. Each lens of the glasses is slightly extended along the edges and has a special shape expanding the vision of the viewer. Thanks to that, objects which are not usually visible are getting to the field of vision. This device is a great solution for those who appreciate personal security. The detector that allows to discover illegal transmitters, invisible for the common search devices. The transmitters that are using the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, DACT and GSM protocols. It uses the additional channel of radio frequencies preset to detect and locate Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. In addition to non-standardized digital transmitters, the device can detect classical transmitters and examine them for the presence of correlation by transmitting active sound impulses. The ACX power extender considerably simplifies and accelerates work on complex structures and makes expensive access systems or lifting platforms superfluous. Countless rescue scenarios can also be carried out efficiently and with minimum effort with ACX. In combination with the safety and backup rope in emergency, the ACX can be controlled by a remote control. The operation and use of the ACX can be learned quickly and easily in special training courses. Every spy will appreciate this small gadget. An integral clip keeps the product attached to your belt loop or other parts of your clothing. The textured surface, black material, and stealthy contour helps it to avoid detection. It barely moves the scale, you certainly won't notice is there. This hidden camera detector is an easy-to-use personal handheld device that quickly locates all hidden cameras undetectable to the eye. Using an array of ultra-bright LED with Maxi Boost enhancement, no hidden camera lens is safe from being undetected. Are you concerned about privacy when renting a hotel room or apartment? This tool is a great solution for that. You will never know where the memory cards, plugs or other things are hidden. The bolts on your view field looks unremarkable. Actually, it can be hidden place for money or secret documents, either sensitive information. The container is waterproof and the main thing is not leave the bolt with secrets at some construction.